active passive voice, post view of important lectures, again present continuous and past continuous. I am eating apple, मैं सेब खा रहा हूँ. I was eating apple, मैं सेब खा रहा था. past continuous का passive voice में use, object plus was या verb में से एक चीज plus verb के third form plus subject. I was eating apple, मैं सेब खा रहा था. Apple was being eaten by me. Apple शुरू में, एप्पल सिंगुलर है इसलिए was का यूज प्लस being जो कि फॉर्मूला के अकॉर्डिंग लगना ही लगना है, प्लस वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म प्लस बाय प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट, यानी कि जो हमने सब्जेक्ट जो है ऑब्जेक्ट में कन्वर्ट किया. इस प्रकार से हम पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस का पैसिव वॉइस कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. इसके कुछ और उदाहरण, उससे पहले फॉर्मूला, यूज ऑफ पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस इन पैसिव वॉइस, was verb plus being plus verb के third form. Ram was taking tea. Tea was being taken by Ram. Teacher was teaching. Teaching was being done by the teacher. Students were doing study. Study was being done by the students. Gardener was watering the plants. Plants were being watered by the gardener. I was writing books. Books were being written by me. I was purchasing goods. Goods were being purchased by me. Teacher was teaching children. Children were being taught by the teacher. I was typing letters. Letters were being typed by me. Post view of important lectures. I am eating apple. मैं सेब खा रहा हूँ. Present continuous में. I was eating apple. मैं सेब खा रहा था. Past continuous में. This topic now we are about to do is not related to passive voice, but as we have already told, we start 2 topics per day. This is the second topic of the day. Use of has to, have to for any obligation and advice plus verb की first form. Very simple. जब कोई काम हमें मजबूरी में करना पड़े या जब हम किसी को कोई जरूरी काम करने की सलाह दें कि उसे वो काम अवश्य ही करना चाहिए, वहां पर हम हैज टू का या हैव टू का यूज करते हैं. ये बेसिकली एक लॉजिक है. कैसे? अगर हमारे सेंटेंस के शुरू में सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट हो तो हैज टू का यूज होगा, अगर प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट हो तो हैव टू का यूज होगा, साथ में वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म का यूज होगा. किसी भी तरह के ऑब्लिगेशन और एडवाइस के लिए हम हैज टू या हैव टू का प्रयोग करते हैं. कुछ उदाहरणों से इसको समझेंगे. कुछ एग्जांपल्स हमारे सामने स्क्रीन पर. ही हैज टू टेक बाथ डेली. शी हैज टू विजिट साइट एवरी डे. Shalini has to go for morning walk daily. Ramesh has to face the difficulty. He has to open his shop early. He has to go to Delhi. He has to appear in test. Radha has to read the book. Student has to wear uniform. He has to go to the party. She has to work for 1 week. Chinky has to remain on leave from her job. I have to get up early in the morning. They have to face many problems. People have to laugh. They have to try their best. We have to go to our uncle's house tonight. They have to work from morning to evening to achieve their targets. Children have to play. They have to face the difficulties. People have to follow the traffic rules. Both have to take roll number before appearing in a paper.